Welcome to March 2023 edition of the Book Hackers Club. This month, we'll be showing you how to create multiple income streams with KDP using the KDP or B2B method in our monthly themes. Creating multiple income streams using your KDP skills and getting paid a setup fee and making a recurring income stream by working with businesses. In this month's mindset video, we'll talk about how social anxiety is common among entrepreneurs. This month's tools and resource spotlight is how to use the Linktree app to drive sales using one URL for multiple sites. You will learn how powerful this tool is for self-publishing businesses and driving sales to your books. Mark your calendars now for your monthly Zoom, which will take place on Thursday, March 30th, 1 p.m. Pacific time. During this Zoom, we will discuss chapters 5 and 6 sections of our Q1 book, Atomic Habits. We hope to see you there and look for that email, and we'll be sending you a link to the Zoom call. Any questions, please join us in our Facebook group and have a great month.